Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and I just decided I'm gonna do a vlog to show you how our Sunday goes. So obviously we've been off for half term, but tomorrow we go back to work. I'm a key worker, Martin is a key worker as well. So the girls will be going back to school and I'll be going back to work. So I'm going to show you my Sunday routine. Anyway, guys, let's do this. So now it's about 10 o'clock. So I'm just going to head downstairs, have my breakfast and get on with whatever we have to do to prepare for tomorrow. So I'll see you downstairs.
Mama, when you stick your fingers out, one finger out, it feels more heavier.
You do it in a little teacup, not a mug like that.
Like, look, like that, I can still do it.
Okay, that's cool.
Did you have a good sleep?
Great. You?
Yeah, me too. I had a great sleep.
Okay, and you're veteran today, didn't you?
Yeah. I fell asleep without even noticing. And I go to the gym when I'm asleep. And I can't remember what I was dreaming about. I didn't dream about anything.
I'm sure you did, but you just can't remember.
No, I didn't.
So guys, that's breakfast done. I didn't show you the parts where we did the cleaning up. But basically that is it. The kitchen is clean. All the dishes are washed. So the next project today is the fridge. I'm gonna organize my fridge. And I will show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. So let's just get on with that. So you guys, I'm gonna put away all the stuff so I can have room to wash everything that I'm gonna take out of the fridge. So guys, I'm gonna be washing all the storage stuff that I got. So I'm gonna fill my sink with water, put a bit of fairy liquid. We're gonna put everything in here now. Remove this bit. I'm not really going to be using that because they're quite big to be able to fit on the dryer. So I'm going to move it around. Just make sure that we've got enough space. Thing that is really good, it doesn't stretch my storage because I don't want it to have any scratches on it. So guys, while these drip dry, I'm gonna just head on and start undoing the fridge. Just to give it a bit of a clean. I usually do weekly when we do our food shopping. I usually just do a wipe, but every month I do a deep clean of the fridge. But we're just gonna go and see how much mess is in there now. So this is the reality of it, and I'm so excited that I get to take out everything that is in there and kind of start afresh with the new storage. But let's just get on and see how it goes. So guys, this is our fridge. Just gonna open it and move back. Literally, this is so messy. I cannot believe it, but these are the baskets that I was telling you about before. So I've kind of made in these lunch boxes in here with all the fruits, the veg and stuff. This is stuff that I've recently bought, so I just need to kind of sort it out. I've got leftovers and little things in, like this is amasi, which is something that you eat with salsa, leftover tomatoes. We've got a lot of butter because we love baking, so I do tend to keep a lot just in case we decide to bake. But I'm gonna go ahead and take every single bit out, and I'm gonna clean out all these so it's ready for the new storage. So guys, I've done the top half of the fridge. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start washing these so they're nice and fresh, or I'm just gonna wipe them down because I've already done my deep clean. I'm just gonna wipe them down and just make it look cute. Just gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out, and then we're gonna sort it out and just clean it. I'm gonna show you everything that I've taken out of the fridge so we can see what's going on. Gonna go ahead and leave this in here because it's not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna leave there because we don't really need to take it out. Anyway, ignore that noise. That is just telling me, reminding me, just if I forgot to close the fridge door, it does that, just to let you know. But anyway, I've got my cloth here, I've got my scrubber, and I'm gonna be using the all-purpose method, the anti-bac all-purpose cleaner in the wild rhubarb. This is a really nice one, and I'm just going to clean the shelves. So guys, this is all the stuff that was in my fridge. I've gone ahead and taken everything out. Wow, it is a mess. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, we're gonna sort this out now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the fridge now. So my fridge is definitely clean. I've gone ahead and cleaned everything. I've cleaned all this bit and I've cleaned all that bit. So now we're just gonna start arranging everything and we'll see how it goes. Hi guys, so this is hours later. I've done lots of bits. As you can see, my table is finally clear. All the stuff is gone. Most of the stuff is gonna go in the bin. I think now I'm gonna start dinner. I've given the girls a bath, and I'm gonna do their hair ready for school tomorrow. And then we will figure it out. We'll figure the next step. But guys, let me just show you how my fridge looks. It looks amazing. I'm so pleased with how it all came out. I probably need to get a few more of those storage containers for the drawer bits. I'm just gonna show you what I've done so far, and yeah, I'm impressed. I impressed myself. So let's just show you. So guys, this is my fridge. So I've sorted it out. So I'm gonna show you. This is one of the big storage containers. So I've got cheese and all our sandwichy bits in there. And then beside it, I've got this, it kind of moves, and I've got all our dressings in there. There is, I think there's barbecue sauce, all those kind of bottles around there, so you can just swivel it and pick up what you want. In the stackables, I put my tomatoes. I've got little sweet peppers, strawberries, and there's blueberries. I absolutely love these. I've got one right at the back because I had some space. And you know, when you go to the takeaway and they give you extra barbecue sauce or whatever, I always keep those, and the kids love using those if we happen to not have any in our takeaways. So I basically put them in one of these, and it's right at the back. We love our water in this house, so fridge water. So the can ones, I have multi-purpose them. So this one, I've got my Actimel, which I take every morning. The girls love their yogurt, and I've just put their yogurts in one of these. And then this one, we've got our dairy stuff, the yogurts, and the girls' juice right here. I've tried to put everything that the girls kind of constantly need on the bottom shelves, so they don't have to worry about height, especially Alexis. And then I've got my butter that we usually use, the spread that we use. I've got the girls' cheeses on the back. I probably use at least once a day. I've got my tomato. It's a little container where you keep your tomato if you slice it and you don't use all of it, just to keep it fresh. I've got my passata right at the back, which is sitting nicely, and this is an onion one as well. So if you cut your onion and you need extra, you have extra, you can put it in one of these. In the bottom shelves, I have put, so I've got extra potatoes right at the back. We use a lot of potatoes in this house. We've got parsnips and carrots. These are all washed, so they're just ready to kind of pick out and peel or whatever we need to do. I've got my cucumber, I've got more potatoes and extra pepper. That's mint and ginger, which I usually use for my tea in the mornings. So I'm gonna look for another container like this to put all my tea stuff in this section. And in the bottom one, I've just literally put tea in the mornings. So I'm gonna look for another container like this to put all my tea stuff in this section. And in the bottom one, I've just literally put all my green stuff, so the cabbage, the lettuce, broccoli, and all that kind of stuff. And then on the door bit, I've just kept the batter in there, the baking batter, and then we've got all the extra ones in this bit. That's just sauce that I made yesterday and was left over, and we're gonna use it for dinner today. That's lasagna sauce, and I've put like my milk and all the stuff that we use, all the juice, drinks here, milk, and we absolutely love this Just Roll items, and we just keep them in there and just have a little cooking session with the girls in the kitchen. I use these. And the next one is this mango juice. There's only a little bit that is left, so just put it on there. But I am super pleased with this. This has come out so well, and I'm gonna buy a few more just to put in the bottom containers, just to contain everything. But I'm super glad I did this. This was so much fun, and I absolutely love it now. Less packaging in the fridge. So guys, for dinner we're having chicken wings, as you can see, and we're having vegetables and paratha. So I'm just gonna go on and spice my chicken and then put it in the oven while I sort out the girl's hair. So I'll show you how I prepare my chicken. I'm gonna leave this to marinate for a couple of minutes while I start on the girl's hair. But anyway guys, we're doing a little dessert. So we've got these, and then this is a really nice simple dessert, and we're gonna put those in the oven when they're ready. But right now I'm just gonna go and do the girl's hair. So guys, that is the day in my life. You spent the day with me on Sunday. That's how my day goes. But anyway guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in another vlog very soon. Thank you so much for all the love and keep it coming. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.